Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Tuesday, the 25th of July. Taking a look at yesterday's market, we had data come out from Europe. We saw the French, the manufacturing and the flash services PMI number both missed the mark there. We also from Germany as well, they disappointed the market as well. Consequently, the euro was the biggest mover in yesterday's session, with the euro USD dropping around about 70 odd pips at the release of that data. We also had from the UK, their manufacturing and flash services PMI number also missing the mark. And then finally from the US, we also had the same data, manufacturing and flash services PMI number, with the flash coming in a little bit better for the US. The manufacturing coming in a little bit better for the US as opposed to the services PMI number. That was pretty much all that's happened yesterday. Let's move along and have a look at our chart of the day. The chart that I'm looking at this morning is the Euro USD on a daily timescale. If you have a look at this particular chart, I'm particularly interested from around about this point here. In this small segment here, it appears that we are on a new trend, a new uptrend. It has been on uptrend from there. Then through this period here, it was perhaps a little bit of transition, so it's a bit sideways. It's still not defined, or perhaps slightly a little bit higher because this. Let me just move some things. This high was higher than that, but definitely from here, it looks like we are on a new trend again. Or continuation of that trend, should I say. We can see the high is getting higher. We are stepping through the motion. What I've highlighted here, let me just zoom in a bit better so we can all see it. What I've highlighted is this area here. Now, this little candle, that one there, that is this morning's candle. So it's only around about 2 hours into formation, so we just need to wait for that one to take shape and complete. But what I'm noticing is that if the market was, for example, coming down, if it could produce for us a reversal there and then kick on in this direction, that bottom would coincide with the previous high, which is something quite normal that happens a lot in the markets. We break through a high, we come back and we bounce off it. So that would make this trade a little bit more higher probability. So as I zoom out again, what I'm waiting for is we have made new highs. I want to trade with the trend. We're pulling back into this area there. If that pullback now shows me a sign of reversal, so it's come down, reversing to push back in this direction, that's the trade that I'm looking for. So let's wait for this candle to complete. Let's see what it looks like. And perhaps tomorrow we may have an opportunity to take a long on the Euro USD. Now, while I'm at it, the trade that I showed you yesterday, the GBP USD trade that I showed you yesterday, that is still in play. It's moved slightly lower. We still haven't had the reversal, but it's still in play. So keep an eye out on that one. And if it does play out, I'll make sure that I'll let you know. All right, what is on the agenda for the session which is about to kick off? Well, we don't have actually much in our daytime session. We only have one bit of data. It happens at midnight our time. That's Sydney time, of course, and it's from the US, and it's a consumer confidence number which is due out. That pretty much wraps up for this morning, guys. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. You can follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day, and I'll speak to you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.